ready to harvest. Oops. Now you just want the flowers. You don't want any of the green. The green will make them taste bitter. So that's what we're doing.
Sometimes the green.
Yeah, sometimes the green comes with it.
Yeah.
I know. All right, so we have our flowers now. Time to put them in our jars. So this one is going to be the honey infused, or sorry, lilac infused honey.
with my dog. She gave me the bag and the thing.
Oh, double. Yeah.
Next is the lilac sugar. So we put some lilacs in already, and then you put some sugar on top. This one you just kind of layer, and then you put some more in. And then you top it off. And then we're going to make a cake with this sugar. Next is the lilac lemonade. Okay, you girls want to put some lilacs in the jar?
Sure. Yep.
So, not very graceful.
It's okay. Maybe just do a little less
Yeah.
in your handful at a time.
There you go.
Okay, let's save some for the top.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Lemonade. Okay, let's get some more lemonade. Maybe one more thing of lemonade.
Good.
All right.
A little bit more.
I think that's okay.
Top it
Now
up.
close the lid. There we have it. Sugar, honey, and lemonade. Now we have to let them set for a couple of hours to infuse, and then we will come back and finish them up.
I tried to. He won't take it.
Yeah, they're black swans.
You okay? Yep, go. Go, go, go. Pass me the phone roller. Yep. Go, go, go. Take it. take it. Then pass it to me again and then go down the side. Okay, go. Okay, ready? Let me go down first. Okay. Go. Okay. Go. Ready? Go. Set. Okay, Callie, get out. Get out. I am out. Hold up. Hold up. I'm trying. Are you out? I'm out. No, Callie. No. Are you out? Oh,
Well, as you guys know, we have a beardie. His name is Toothless. But recently we rescued another beardie. This little guy's name is Mushu. And he was left at the local baseball diamond in a shoebox. Get it focused on him a little more. But yeah, he was left in a shoebox at the baseball diamond here in town in the women's bathroom in like late October last year. And a friend of mine took him in and wasn't sure if he was going to make it, but he did, and she recently asked if we would like to rescue him now. So we're just setting up his house.
But way harder. On his back.
It's tiny,
and his
eh?
head. Yeah.
Compared to Toothless?
Yeah, on his head right here, and then right here, it's hard.
Yeah. The type of bearded dragon he is. Just like Toothless.
They're so pretty. That hammock's really big.
Isn't it?
Is there supposed to be another sticky piece to it?
There's 3 on it.
Only 3?
Yep. The other part is kind of like a ladder, I think.
We're shaking it. Wait, you guys got him a little tree branch?
Yeah. Okay, plant update. Oh, hi, Jersey. Yes, Jersey update. Sweetest boy still ever. Okay, strawberries. We lost a flower, but we are getting some berries now. So exciting. And blueberry plant. I'm not sure. I've never had a blueberry plant before. Please comment below if you know the answer. But I feel like most of these have died due to them being brown, some of them are not. But they just look very dry. We're going for a very dry spell here right now. There's a huge fire ban. But here are some more plants that we've picked up. Still getting the garden ready. We still haven't planted yet. I know, super bad. Here's our raspberry plant. Oh, it's finally getting flowers. Look, Callie.
It is?
Oh, that's so exciting. And here? Okay, maybe we will have a few raspberries. Whoops. I was not being very hopeful. Oh my gosh, they are raspberries. Oh, let me focus. They've started, Callie, on this side. Oh, that's so exciting. Look at it. They're so cute. Oh, I'm not focused again. Oh my gosh. There we go. And we have some more tomato plants. Some starts. Hosta is in full bloom. But the irises here, they didn't come up very well this year. The ones back there are a little bit taller, but still they didn't flower. Usually they flowered by now. The bleeding hearts also didn't flower this year. Oh wait, look there's one.
Really?
One flower on the whole big plant. Oh, he's the cutest babies. Hi, Rocco.
Let's be careful.
Careful.
Yeah. There. Very good. Hey. This one's my favorite.
Go to that one right there, Callie.
What one? This one's
Right there.
pretty. That one scared me. This one's my favorite.
This is like this, Lily.
What the heck was that sound? Oh my goodness. He's showing your teeth. He's showing your teeth. I'm like trying to pet him. Keeps on rubbing. Too cute. Yo. Yo. Babies. Oh my goodness. He likes his rub under his chin. You good?